Hi, Assalamualaikum. We will be making a presentation for the assignment article review presentation. The topic we choose is the effect of video games on student learning. So now we will introduce ourselves. My name is Nur Aifadiana binti Muhammad Roslan.
My name is Nur Umar Shamina binti Anwar.
My name is Nopara Ashikin Betty Samsudin.
My name is Nurul Nurisha binti Fairul Azri.
My name is Aliana Jiha binti Ruhai Nasman.
First of all, once studying and help us complete this assignment review, which is part of the information scheme for academic purpose from A101 course. I would like to thank Megan and Tanya Al-Banti, Mama Firda Kuzaki, for her guiding and support throughout this assignment. I would also like to thank my parents for this continuous encouragement as well as the group as with us, the group member who have provided cooperation and meaningful contribution in completing this presentation assignment.
Today, many students play video games every day. At first, games were just for fun, but now they are also used to help students learn. This is called game-based learning. Games make learning fun and help students think, solve problems, and work in teams. However, too much screen time or the wrong games can be a problem. So, it's important to use the right games in the right way. This presentation will explain the good and bad effect of video games in education. So, here we go.
Online book. The title of the book is The Global Perspective on Gameful and Playful Teaching and Learning. The Global Perspective on Gameful and Playful Teaching and Learning, edited by Matthew Barber, is a comprehensive resource on the topic, published by IGI Global in 2019. It combines in the fast-changing field of education that incorporation of game-based learning has been increasing in order to promote more successful learning instruction. Key themes include improving the interaction between learning outcome and motivation in game, both digital and analog, and promoting best practice for supporting student academic achievement. Global Perspective on Gameful and Playful Teaching and Learning is a collection of innovative research on the method and application that explore the core cognitive and psychological aspect underpinning successful educational video games, while highlighting topics including non-traditional exercise, mobile computing, and interactive technology, dispute ideally designed for teacher, curriculum developers, principal, school and administrator, academicians, research, and student seeking current research on the design and interaction of game-based learning environment. The article in the book discusses a research project conducted in Japan that explored the use of board games as tools for game-based language teaching, GBLC, especially in low-level English. As for games language EFL classroom, the main goal will to improve students' spoken communication skill and increase student engagement in their own learning. The target audience of the book are research designers and practitioners in the field of educational game development, e-learning technology, education, multimedia, educational psychology, and information technology. The goal is to provide research instruction and policymaker with valuable information about game-based learning, with the purpose of increasing understanding of the process of designing, developing, and deploying successful educational
Some resources to online journal. The impacts of students' online game playing on social awareness. The study of 5 graders in Plymouth and Median. The impacts of students' online game playing in social awareness. This research sources on the topic, published by Moshe Abdul Hakim Hani, F. Jasanatul, and A. Rifai in 2021. This research used a qualitative approach with a type of case study. Sources of data used in this study in primary data resources and secondary data resources, were the data collection technique and observation introduced in the documentation. The validation used to test the truth is the triangulation for research resources. Data analysis used the interactive model of Miles and Huberman. From the research that has been done, it shows as many 83% of students play online game with a play duration of more 5 hours in one day. 17 of other students play online game with a play duration of 45 hours in one day. The habit students playing online game are influenced by friends, family activities, and concerns the environment they live in. And another negative impact due to the habit playing online game affects sleep quality, and some children imitate the style and of play and practice with their peers in real life. The positive impact due to the habit of playing online games is to increase the vocabulary of foreign language, namely English. The negative impact is more dominant due to the habit of online games.
Why US schools are racing to ban student phone? This article explores the growing trend of schools in the United States that are choosing to ban the use of mobile phone among students during school hours. The main reason for this action is that many educators and school officials believe phones are becoming a serious distraction in the classroom and negatively affecting students' ability to focus and learn. Besides, disrupting lessons, smartphones are also linked to other problems such as phone addiction, mental health issues, cyberbullying, and the pressure to stay connected on social media at all times. Some schools have enforced total bans, while others use lock pouch or storage system to prevent students from accessing their phones throughout the day. Teachers have observed that students are more attentive, interact more face-to-face, and show better academic performance while phones are removed from the learning environment. However, not everyone agrees with this ban. Some parents worry about not being able to reach their children in emergencies, and some students argue that phones can be used for learning or research. Despite this concern, many school leaders believe that the long-term benefits, such as better classroom focus and improved student well-being, outweigh the drawbacks. The movement to restrict phone in schools is also part of a wider conversation about how technology should be managed in education to support healthy student development and learning habits.
Some researchers found the title I choose is the effect of games-based intervention on the nursing students' level of knowledge by systematic review and meta-analysis of randomized control trial. Game-based learning is an educational approach that uses interactive games to ensure students' understanding and retention of knowledge. The systematic review of randomized control trials demonstrated that game-based methods are more effective in improving student knowledge compared to traditional teaching strategies. These games not only make learning more enjoyable, but also increase student engagement and motivation, leading to better overall academic performance. Studies showed that learning outcomes were especially improved when game-based activity were conducted for a duration of 2 weeks or more, highlighting the importance of consistent and sustained use beyond knowledge acquisition. Game-based learning also contribute to the development of critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and self-confidence among students, skills that are essential particularly in practical fields like nursing and healthcare. Subjects such as science, nursing, and communication benefit significantly from this method, as games allow students to apply concepts in realistic and interactive scenarios. However, the approach is not without its challenges. Issues such as extended screen time, stress from time tasks, and distractions from gameplay were commonly reported. Despite this concern, the overall evidence suggests that when game-based learning is thoughtfully integrated with traditional teaching methods, it becomes a powerful educational tool that supports both academic achievement and personal skill development.
Some researchers find the effect of online entertainment mode and duration on college and student online learning burnout. The student examined the relationship between online entertainment mode and their duration with online learning figure among university students, revealing that different types of entertainment, such as short video on TikTok or other popular TV series, trending online topic, and video games, have varying effect on student focus levels. Short video we found to have the most negative effect, causing mental fatigue and reducing interaction with TV series and game can cause education and emotional level to students and can distort their study. For students, we cannot revise their time well. Trending topic can spread disinformation and affect emotional stability and academic performance. The duration of entertainment consumption also increase the student risk of failure and burnout. Therefore, students are encouraged to manage their entertainment time wisely to reduce failures and maintain good and strong academic performance.
In summary, the topic of video games and their effect on student learning has shown a mix of both positive and negative impact. Based on the article and student review, it is clear that excessive gaming tends to interfere with students' academic performance, focus, and social awareness. Many students who spend long hours on online games show signs of reduced concentration, poorer time management, and difficulty staying engaged in lessons. In some cases, video game addiction can even lead to lower academic achievement and emotional instability. Furthermore, the influence of digital games has been linked to decreased face-to-face interaction and a lack of social empathy, especially among younger students.
At the same time, it is also acknowledged that video game, if used in moderation, can help students develop cognitive skills such as problem solving, decision making, and strategic thinking. At the same time, it is also acknowledged that video games, if used in moderation, can help students develop cognitive skills such as problem solving, decision making, and strategic thinking. Educational games in particular have a potential to create interactive and engaging learning experience. However, the effectiveness such as game depends heavily on the content, duration of play, and the student ability to balance entertainment with responsibility.
Overall, this report suggests that while video games can offer learning benefits, they must be monitored and used wisely. Educators and parents play a vital role in guiding students toward healthier gaming habits. By setting boundaries and promoting mindful gaming, the negative effects can be reduced, allowing students to enjoy the advantage of technology without compromising their economic growth or social development.